Okay, in this video we're going to be learning quickly, this is going to be a very quick video, how to remove the seat on the 2008 Honda VTX 1300. And so the seat is right over here, and it's very simple. You have a bolt right here. This is a 6mm. You got a bolt up here. This is a 10mm. And you have a bolt right here, another 6mm. So all you have is 3 bolts, and that's all that there is. And I will quickly show you guys how to do this. So first of all, I'm going to take my 6mm right here, bolt over here. Okay, and this is what it looks like. Okay, the one on the other side, right here, and last one, 10mm, and it's right over here, and I already got it loosened here. All right. Okay, so I got it. I'm just going to place everything back here, and just going to go from behind, and all you got to do is just lift the seat up and just pull it back. That's it. That's all that there is. Okay, I'm just going to leave this seat right here, that way you guys can quickly have a look. Okay, so this is basically where it looks like. Rear bolt right here, 10mm, and then 6mm and 6mm, and the seat goes right underneath here. And if you want to check out the batteries underneath here, and that's how simple this is. Okay, so now we're going to put this guy back. Okay, and I got all my wrenches. So all we got to do is take it back. There's a little clip right here, or that slider. Just got to go underneath, line everything up, line up, and that's how simple this is. Okay, and we're just going to put this back. Okay, that one's in. And my 6mm liner out. And the 7. Okay, and just tighten everything up, and you're good to go. And this is how fast you can take the seat off. Not a problem. Bolt number 1, number 2, and bolt number 3, and then the whole thing slides out. All right. All right, that was a quick video how to take that seat off of this particular bike. Thank you very much, and we'll see you on the next one.